Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a synthetic wig review. It is the Outre Atlas, y'all. I couldn't. This is Outre Atlas, y'all. Gonna install her today. I did want to do a length check, y'all. I'm 2 years locked in. I kind of combed the ends of my locks out a little bit, so that's why it's looking like that. But yeah, back to the wig, okay? So now we're gonna install this wig. This was a super easy install. This wig is a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend like you get this unit, and not even like for the color alone. Like the lace is really stretchy. This is a big head friendly unit. The color blends flawlessly. The hairline is pre-plucked. The hair is soft and it's layered, so like I cannot get enough of this wig. I did install it off of camera, but I'm just showing you guys how I styled it. So this wig is like bomb, you guys. Like it's like a soft wave and it's layered, so like everything falls where it needs to be. There's minimal tangling with this one, which I loved. The hair is just like gorgeous. It like if you comb it, it'll kind of like curl back up into one. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I'm showing y'all how I'm cutting the lace, y'all. The lace on this wig is bomb. It's like really soft lace. It's easy to cut. This time I left a little bit of lace left on the wig, so I was like trying something a little bit different. Usually I'll cut it right up on the hairline, but I've been trying to see if it looks better with like just a tiny bit of lace left, and it definitely does. It blends like right into the skin a little bit more, so definitely leave a little bit of lace on your lace, like right above the hairline. So that's what y'all see me doing. I'm cutting it with the eyebrow razor like I usually do, okay? Like nothing new here. But y'all, I'm using, I think this is the Ruby Kisses in the shade 12. And that's what I use to kind of tint the hairline. So it just makes it disappear, you guys. Like, oh my goodness. I love like y'all see the difference. Like it's just really giving. And all you have to do is just like color it in, like literally. This lace is so melted, like I love it. Now with synthetic units, the lace is always white, so you will always need to tint it, like always. So that's what y'all see me doing here, just admiring my work, because that is my favorite part. It's just tinting the lace and seeing what the hairline looks like. I did do baby hairs off camera on this one. I originally wasn't going to, but you know, I be changing my mind. So I started doing this unit as a bust down middle part, okay? I was gonna do the middle part because like I just saw there's I forgot what her YouTube name is. It's like a girl on TikTok, and she does like the bomb wigs. I think it's her name is Monet or something like that. She did a middle part on this one, so I was like, yeah, like she's the reason why I grabbed this one, honestly. And yeah, I was like, I need this one, so I started doing the middle part, and then I was like, y'all know I'm a side part girl, so like I had to switch it up into the side part. But you know, I kind of prepped it for the middle part, so that's what you guys see me doing here. I'm always changing my mind, but I do always want to show y'all, you know, what I'm doing, okay? This wig does take heat really well, like on a low heat. I do have this on a low heat, y'all, so I'm just pushing the hairline back, and then I went in and kind of gave that front part a little bump so you can get that big volume part in the front, because we love that when it goes like that. Oh my goodness, like I love it. So that's what y'all see me doing here. And then I am like just getting the hairline really pushed back, okay? So that is basically it for like the install and everything. I thought I was done here, you know, but I did add baby hairs, and I did later on cut it throughout the video. But you know, I'm just taking y'all through the journey of how I installed this wig. So I'm sitting here playing with it, like it looks really good, like nothing I can't handle. I was really impressed by how this one was looking, okay? So I got these little things off TikTok. I've been seeing everybody use them, so I'm like, let me see what they do. And they kind of like keep it together so you have that volume in the front. So I love it. That's why I was like, I was gonna do the middle part, because I wanted that kind of like, y'all see it, you see it, okay? Like it was looking really good. And like, yeah. So I'm finishing up the baby hairs here. For my baby hairs, I did use a mousse spray. And y'all, the baby hairs is giving, okay? Like you can tell like that the wig is pre-plucked by the baby hairs, because the baby hairs are like kind of thin, not bulky. So I really liked this install, y'all. Like this wig, I said it's a 10 out of 10, but it's like a 20 out of 10. Like this one is, wow. I'm still mind blowing as I'm doing this voiceover. Like, girl, it's really giving, okay? I was feeling the middle part there. It's just giving really good, big, bouncy layers. This is really cute. I definitely would like to try it in like a black or a 1B too, because like this color, the color like sold me on its own, but like having this in like a 1B, this will be like a everyday kind of bombshell unit. So like I said earlier, I did cut the unit. The unit is like kind of long. It has long layers like towards the back. I just thought it kind of looked unnatural, and I have been feeling myself in short units lately, so I was like, I'm gonna cut this. So I went ahead and cut it, y'all. Like I just grabbed everything together and just like cut everything like straight across in a blunt cut. And like literally that was it. I did have to clean up a few pieces because like by doing this you kind of have to see where the hair falls, but because this hair is curly, like it was no problem. Like y'all see that, like it's really cute. I have no words, okay? It just became even more cuter when I cut it. And yeah. Yeah, as you can see, like I was feeling it for sure. So I did have to cut the other side. So I split this into two sides, you guys, and I just cut one side and then I cut the other. I tried to kind of make them even so that I knew where to cut the other side. And it really wasn't hard. It just was more of a, you know, take your time and make sure that you get the hair combed and everybody is where it's supposed to be before you cut it. But other than that, it was like super easy, and I really loved the way it looked after. So this is me just playing around in the hair. Like I really like this one a lot, okay? The baby hairs, I wish my baby hairs would have kind of stayed down. I do like them fluffy and wispy, but like with synthetic wigs, like they really don't stay down. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I'm just being a perfectionist or whatever, like a Leo is, okay? But no, you guys, I really highly recommend this unit, y'all. You have to get this one. Oh my goodness, like it's been a while since I've had a bomb synthetic wig on my channel that I'm lying because it was a few, and I hope you guys watched it, okay? But I love this one. That color, that ombre gold brown in the front is just, oh my goodness. And this wig is like, you can tell that this one is gonna last a long time, especially because I cut it. Like there was no tangling or shedding. This is just a really soft curl, and I love it. This is 10 out of 10. I hope you guys get this one. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments, okay? As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye.